I have something here, something made up here. Trying build this dresser that I never did before. So good, look at that. I already made the base. So good luck to me. Good luck. Okay. There you go. Habang nagpa-practice yung isa dun sa taas. Is practicing.
Hello.
Oh, dali. Ha? Say hello.
Hello. I was practicing.
He's practicing. There you go. Meron pa akong background music, oh.
Do the dishes, now kitchen sink. Do the bed with me.
Next is
Hello, business.
B16. B16.
I think I know the lyrics.
Yeah, you should. Yan, ito. Ang laki ng silbi talaga. Look. I'm trying. Listen it. O, diba? This is my hammer. My improvised hammer. What's the purpose? This. Now I built something here. Hey.
Here you are, when you alters this man.
Practice si baby.
All I wanna do is roll with you.
He's practicing. Need this again. In here. Another one. What do you call this salad? Baby love, what do you call this po?
I call it a wad.
Rod. Slang. Rod. Rodeline, rod.
You can call it a metal wad.
Metal rod. Oh my god. It's not easy.
Oh, I call it a pipe too.
Hi.
A pipe and a metal wad and a wad.
Oh my god. What happened here?
Excuse me.
Just a second. All good. Then, my improvised hammer. The last piece of this.
Oh.
Okay, I'm doing a good job
Oh,
here.
excuse me. Can you give me the charger over there?
Charger over there.
Yes.
Charger, what would you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Malabo pa mata ko. Nakasalamin na nga. Say, shout out to Lala Bonga.
Shout out to Lala
Say,
Bonga.
Lala Bonga.
Lala Bonga.
Lala Chichi.
Lala Chichi and Lala Rosa.
And Mama's Press.
Mama is stressed.
Papaboyet. Papaboyet. Magpapaboyet.
Papa Pupo.
Boyet.
Papa Boye.
Tambay-tambay.
Tambay-tambay, Ninang.
Okay, tambay-tambay.
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 Poppy.
You know. Yay! Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Yeah, almost. Yay!
Laging almost.
Madali ba? Hindi. Konti na lang. Kaya natin yan.
Ano kami saksakan dito?
Huwag na akong matapos hanggang bukas. This is C16. C16. I need two of this. Let's make sure. Pumili ng SIM card kasi ang sister ko, ang SIM card ko ay tinapon niya. SIM card ng Canada. Ang nadala kong SIM card ng Pilipinas. Kaya pala, nagte-text yung gomo. Welcome to Taipei! Sabi ng Canada, welcome to Canada! Para SIM card ng Pilipinas yung nabitbit ko. Aloka tong sister bongga ko eh. Bongga talaga. Here, the other one. And this is the another piece. Then I'll put them all together. And voila! Yay! Mga anak ko lang gumagawa nito, pero ngayon, ha? Okay. I have to do it by myself. Suot ko tong gloves kasi nga masakit sa kamay. I'm trying to top the metal rod. But I found this. Sa bumuula ng cabinet. Ayan na, nakakabuo na ako ng second piece. Yay! What an achievement! Achievement? Achievement yan. Take a look, my labo. Aba.
Wow, I love it.
Stop. My improvised hammer. Yay! I'm now on the second piece. On the second level. Oh, sorry. There you go. Oh my God. May mali ako. Walang hole yung iba. Ito, walang hole. And this one too. Ay, Milin. Ano ba yan? Mali. I did something wrong here. May mali ang lola nyo. Excited kasi, hindi nagpabasa. Salamin na nga. I had to remove this again. It's bagay. It's my first time. There you go. Now, it's more better. Hey! I'm done on the second level. Going to third. Magbi-break muna ang lola. Ano muna tayo? Maggi-green tea. There you go. School ito.
Anyways.
Ito na. Almost. May batang naglalaro dun. Yun. Improvise hammer. Konti na lang. Lapit na. Almost done. Down here. Ito na. Huh?
I love it, but
Thank you.
you did so incredible.
Oh, incredible. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're motivating, Lala. Thank you. What a support.
Also the best grandma.
Best grandma?
Yeah.
Oh, you're the best apo.
Lala,
Nagbulahan pa kami. Nagbubuo lang ng dress.
Lala.
I'm gonna work hard on this? Yes.
Mommy, but
I'm
are
working
you?
hard. You're gonna pay me? You're gonna pay me?
I thought I'd give you all my piggy banks there.
Oh my piggy bank. So we can travel to the Philippines again, ano? Together na, together. Gonna be tired after this?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Oh, wait.
I'll never get tired.
Oh, finally, a person who's not tired because I want to play with you.
Oh, later.
But baby, I know, but I know after. I know after you will play with me. I'm just gonna be patient.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna walk. I'm just walk and
Doing a great job.
Papa.
Aba, bait naman ako ko. Nag-a-appreciate. Diba? Pag may tiyaga, may cabinet. Ayan na, almost na. Konti na lang. Nawawala yung isa. Dito na lang. Ilalim. Ayun, dalawa. Tatlo. Handet. Kita ko na. Now on the top. Almost.
Lingwa sa crash site para matukoy ang sanhi ng insidente. Cassandra Salonga, CBN News, Nueva Ecija.
Nada tayo.
Kasama ni Manaar si Malapit taong 2015 sa Police Training Center sa Cordillera Administrative Region bilang Regional Training Director. Para sa kanya, isa si Malapit sa mga warang alagad ng batas.
I have to go on top. There we go.
Sa loob ng may itatlong taon nilang samahan sa training center, dito na patunayan ni Manaar ang dedikasyon ni Malapit.
Wait.
Feeling passionate siya sa mga Manaar, hindi siya nawalan ng kabaro. Nawalan rin siya ng kaibigan malinis ng buhay sa gitna ng kanyang
Maybe it's the
sinumpang
better.
pamilya. Jesse Cusa, ABS-CBN News. Nanawagan ang ilang grupo ng mga negosyante na pag-usapan munang matuli ang panukalang dalawa na
Wow. Yay! Khaled, look. Khaled, look what I did.
It's so good. I
Yay!
love it. It's so good. I love it. You did the best.
Malalagay ko na lahat ng mga gamit ko dito.
Parang tagilid.
Hindi, ayos lang. Yung mga kalat ko. Yay! High five, my love. High five.
Wait, high 10.
High 10. How can I do that?
You just pretend that is a high 10.
Okay, high 10. One,
High
10.
10.
Ito, this one. High
High
5. There you go. Nabuo din. Good job, Milen. Good job.